Hello friends, this is me. Nice to see you here again. Today another new unboxing review show to you guys here. And let me open the shoe box first, and then you guys will know what it is today. Okay. Yeah. When you check the box, you will know it's Air Jordan again. Maybe check the tag first. Yeah, you guys must have known it's Air Jordan 11. Yeah, retro brand. You guys know authentic Air Jordan 11 always popular among people. And any series of Air Jordan 6 are loved by people for a long time, and recently a lot of people going crazy about this brand again. So, and today I redo the review for you guys to show how special this shoes is. So that is authentic one, yeah, undoubtable. So maybe show you two pairs together. Here the toe box. And lace, black lace, and also Air Jordan label on the third space here. Yeah, go this way, this side, and you can check the handle liner very shiny, right? Yeah, all the handle liner very shining around the shoes. And check back. Number 23. Yeah. And red Jordan logo over here, as well as this side. Yeah, clear? Okay, now channel button. Nice ice button and perfect, nice carbon fiber as usual. Yeah. Now maybe you wanna see the inside. So show you the tag. Show you the time. Here is the tag. Yeah, and the red shoe tray here, and red Jordan logo insole. Yeah, really nice quality, very nice touching. So no wonder so many people love it. Yeah, all the time. Yes. So if you're interested in it, please contact me. Skype me or email me or KIK me, yes, whatever. And if you sub and comment my channel, you will get thank you from. So please email me to get it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.